Hi guys, welcome back to my space. So guys, I was just looking at my braids and I realized that I prefer the tiny ones to these medium ones because the tiny ones, they look more aesthetic, they are so easy to style and they don't get rough easily. But just look at these braids, they are just a week old and they look so old. But I'm still going to carry it for 6 weeks. So I went ahead to get my bead container because I'll be adding beads to these braids. Because I don't know how I'm going to carry them this way for a whole 6 weeks. I'm not a week fan and I just have 1 week and I don't like wearing the wig. So this is how I'll be rocking this rough braids for a whole 6 weeks. Yeah, we have completed 1 week and we have 5 more weeks to go. So I decided to add beads to them to see how they are going to turn out. Okay, so you can see this is the bead I'm using and I'm using a bobby pin to actually help me add the bead. If you don't know how to use a bobby pin to add beads, just put the braid in between the bobby pin, then bend your hair, fold your hair, I don't know, or just fold your hair, then put the beads into the bobby pin and drag them towards your hair. I don't know if you understand, but if you watch what I'm doing, you will actually know how to do it. Okay, so I'm done with the back section. I'm actually loving how it's turning out, but let's just finish all of them and see how they are going to look. So if your mini braids hair growth journey and you are thinking of which one to go for, mini braids or medium braids, as you can see, if your hair is much more longer, it may be okay to rock them like that, like a medium braid, because they are much more longer and it will look more nice. But if you want something that will last really long and something that is more aesthetic, go for mini braids. Okay, so we are almost done and right now we are finally done. And I fell in love with these braids again. Yes guys, I fell in love with them again. I don't know how long I'll be keeping those beads in, maybe 1 week or 2 weeks, but for the meantime, let me enjoy them on my braids because I really love how it turned out. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments. All right, when I had the mini braids, it was so easy to style my hair and my hair didn't get old easily. So thanks for watching.